Are you looking for a stripper? A stripper that really gets it off? Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time. No sanding, so easy. None of that toxic, messy dust floating around. Can you imagine sanding it all out? So the first thing we do is we spray on the stripper and we put it on and we keep it wet with the stripper. The stripper is extremely thin and it goes into the finish. So it's had about 3 light coats of stripper and it's now raining, but that's all right. So like the one above I started with, so it comes away really quickly. People see a small brush and think therefore it's going to take forever. And even though it's skinny, it's still about 2 inches wide. So when I'm going on to, when I'm here, I'm onto the thin part, and then I just bring it around onto the wider part there. So we've taken off what's on the wood. A lot of people's weatherboards are wider than this, and what happens is the 6-inch board often cups, they warp a bit, and again if you were to try and sand that, you're on a hiding to nothing. This doesn't lose any of the wood surface. So what I'm doing here now is stripping what's in the surface. It just drags out the finish that's deep in. When the first coat of the finish was put on, pretty much most of it just went in deep. And this is the one we're getting out now. This is probably the most important one to get. We've got lots of cedar out there getting hammered by the weather and the sun. It's amazing how much finish just keeps pouring out. Okay, got myself a clean brush. So that's the pretty nice new brass bristled brush. It's not too coarse, so we don't want to tear the wood apart. And we've got our blue one this time. This is our flusher. So we're spraying and we're scrubbing straight away. We know if someone's not flushing straight away because they run out of flusher and they ring us for more flusher.
See that wet colour? That's the colour that this board would be should someone clear finish it. So that's your starting point when you're looking at your colours, not the dried off colour.
And we've knocked out half a square metre in pretty quick time. The homeowner said I could do as many samples as I wanted.